Hi guys, this is Trin from the How To Duo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this no-sew mask without putting all that stress on your ear and bending your ear like this with the elastic. So here we go. Alrighty, so what you're going to need to make your mask is a handkerchief. If you don't have a handkerchief, you could use any fabric you have laying around the house, a pillowcase, a t-shirt. Just cut 21 by 21 inches. And then you're going to need 4 hair ties. Now the other tutorials that I've seen out there use 2 hair ties, but I find that tugs on the ear, so I am going to use 4, and I'll show you how to attach them together. So I'm using orange because I like how orange goes with camouflage. What you want to do with the handkerchief is you want to lay it flat where the back side is facing upward. So this is the back side, the underside, and here's the front. The front is darker than the back. So usually you could tell the back of the fabric versus the front. If you can't tell, then it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna face the back upward, and I'm just gonna lay it flat. I ironed the fabric ahead of time just so it could be flat. You don't have to do that, but I ironed it just so I could see any creases that I need to do. So I'm gonna take the bottom here and fold it upward right to the middle. I'm just eyeballing it. And I'm gonna do the same to the top, folding it towards the middle, and adjust it as you need to. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so now I have my 2 folds right in the middle. Then I'm gonna fold the bottom upward. So all the edges are curved. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the hair ties and I'm gonna attach them. So let me put these down. I'm gonna put this one in, and then I'm going to pull it under and out. I'll do it again with the other one so you could see. Again, take one hair tie and the other one, put it under. Using the same hair tie, pull the loop to create a knot. So what I'm going to end up doing is the larger part is the ear part, and the smaller part is going to go around the bandana. So these 2 hair ties are going to go like this, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm kind of eyeballing about 6.5 to 7 inches in using my hands, and I'm just going to scrunch it right there to form kind of like this candy shape here. So I'm going to take this hair tie and put the handkerchief through. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Like so. I'm going to center the knot. And then I'm going to fold this side inward. And as you do this, the knot might pull more towards the center, but you can move and adjust the knot so that the earpiece is larger. I'm going to do the same to this side. So see, the knot got smaller. I'm just going to pull it and the earpiece will be bigger. So what I'm going to do now is tuck this piece or either piece into the other. So you can go on the outside fold or the inside fold. I'm going to go on the inside fold. And that's it. That is your mask. This is going to be the inside, and this is the outside. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on. There's the outside, and then the folds go on the inside. So we're gonna start with one ear and adjust the knot as needed. Put this over your nose, tucking in any pieces that hang out. And I'm gonna pull this over this ear and move the knot down as you need to so that your ear isn't bent like that. And that's it, a no-sew handkerchief mask that doesn't put too much stress on your ears or bend your ears. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. You can also find us on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram at The How To Duo. And for more tutorials, visit our blog at thehowtoduo.com. Thanks for watching.